Welcome to Prime Childcare Software Training. Today we're going to go over sending a fast blast. In Prime, a fast blast is an email that goes out to one or more email recipients that contains links to online forms in it. To do a fast blast, first we go to the Admission module, to the Submissions tab, and we click on Fast Blast. For Fast Blast, the way you add email recipients to a fast blast, so you click on Add Edit Recipients. If I want to choose recipients that are already in the system, so sponsors that are already in my system, then I can go in and that pulls up with the existing, that pulls up all of the current sponsors in my system. I can choose one or all, and they will add to the list. If you notice, there are multiple instances of an email address in my list on the left, but the recipients, they're only one, so you don't have to worry about sending an email 5 different times to the same email address. It will only copy in one time. Once I've selected the email addresses that I want to use, then I click Close on this screen. If for some reason I need to go in and add email recipients that are new, then from the recipient type of new, I have the manual entry section. In this case, I can copy and paste emails directly into this section and click on Add List, and they'll show up in my list on the right. I can also upload a file, a Microsoft Office file, say a Word document or an Excel spreadsheet, into the system. What'll happen is I can choose that file, and when I upload it, it will strip the email addresses out of that file and it'll put them on my list. So a couple of different ways to add recipients to my FastBlast. When I'm done, I click on Close. I can choose to change the subject of my FastBlast, and I can actually change the email address that the FastBlast comes from. So if I want to have a different email address show up so that people, when they reply to the Fast Blast, it will actually go to an email address that will allow replies. And then I can type a message in here in the message box and do various sorts of formatting on that message itself. Once I'm done with that, then at the bottom in the Forms section, I'm going to choose which forms I want to send out in my Fast Blast. I can choose as many forms as I want, and then I click on Send. Once I click on Send, it will send an email to each recipient with the links to the forms that I included, and the recipients will be able to click on those links in the email and fill out the form for each one of those. And that is sending a Fast Blast. Now once my Fast Blast is out, then I can see all the recipients that I sent to in that Fast Blast, the forms that I sent to them, and when it was sent. And if I need to, I can select one of those and resend it, or I can cancel it. Once the parents fill out those forms, they will come back to me in the Submitted section.